In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Bloombot Chrome extension. So the first thing you want to do, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to basically enter Telegram and to be able to start using the Bloom Solana bot, because there's different bots on here, but this one is actually the official and the correct one. So you can use it via the link down below in the description. When you click on it, you'll see this screen over here. Now from here, what you want to do is either click Start Bot in case you have Telegram installed on your computer. But if you want to use the web version like me, you can click Open in Web over here, and it's gonna open up your Telegram and then the Bloom bot. If you're using it for the first time, what you want to do is click Start over here, top right, or hover over here and click Start again. There we go, and you should see a bunch of different options. Now, what you have to do is click on the Bloom website over here and then click Open. And from their official website, you can see it says extension over here. And to get the extension for Chrome, just click over here, click on Chrome Store, and then click on Solana. And as you can see, you'll be directed to over here where you can see the Bloom extension. And you can then basically just click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And after that, it's going to get added to your Chrome. There we go. And you can basically just run it up by clicking this. And it's going to ask you for your access code, and then to get code you want to click on Get Code over here, and it's going to open up Telegram yet again. You want to click Open in Web over here, and it's going to basically give you the code over here. Now you have to copy this and basically paste it in there, so just copy it like this, and then go to your Bloom extension and then paste it in here, and then you want to click verify, and after that, as you can see, you can start using the Bloom bot however you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.